Mind-Body Awareness Tool lesson on size of awareness. Now, notice your awareness now. How big is what you're noticing? Are you noticing something about your body size? Is your awareness right around your body size? If it's larger, click on the bigger button.
My awareness is expanding.
So now it's about body size. If we click on bigger again,
my awareness is expanding.
Then the indicator on the screen indicates that you're aware of your awareness is getting larger.
My awareness is expanding.
If you're aware of everything in the room, then your awareness may look like this.
My awareness is expanding.
Now you can't see it because the arrows are off the screen, so you can change the shape of the awareness.
Horizontal body scan, circular awareness.
To the circular awareness, and then the center is filled in. So even though the awareness is very large, you can see that your awareness covers a very large area. If you're aware of the whole planet right now, then your awareness is very large, but the details may not be there. Or you could be aware of the solar system, the galaxy, or even the whole universe. Be aware of how large your awareness is. Now let's shrink it down a little bit.
My awareness is shrinking.
Notice that without too much effort, you can control
my awareness is shrinking.
The size of what you are aware of. You can go from being aware of the whole universe to being aware of a single cell inside your body, at least conceptually, in a fraction of a second. So we're slowing down the awareness of the size of what you're aware of using the Mind-Body Awareness tool. Let me speed it up a little on the screen.
I'm speeding up.
So that you can become mindful of the size of your awareness during daily life. Let's make it a little smaller.
My awareness is shrinking.
Now if those intentional arrows, the red arrows pointing in, bothers you, you can go to Options and click on the Intent button.
Lazy intention.
It cleans up the visuals on the screen a little bit. Then you can play with the size of your awareness aura or awareness field. You can make it smaller.
My awareness is shrinking.
And smaller.
My awareness is shrinking.
Say you're focusing on some internal organ feeling, or even smaller.
My awareness is shrinking.
The feeling of something you ate or an internal energy. So something interesting happens when you start playing with the size of your awareness. You start to notice your attitude. Now attitude is indicated by the shape. You can change the shape from circular or all-around awareness.
My awareness is expanding.
I'm making it bigger on the screen so you can be more...
My awareness is expanding.
So you can see what I'm saying better. Okay, this is like an even awareness. Let me move it towards the heart region.
Up.
So now the attitude is kind of good-natured when it's round. It's on a well-rounded kind of understanding and awareness. But if you change it to, say, square.
Square awareness.
This looks more like a medical examination or an x-ray. Something scientific and with right angles. You think of a square person as kind of like a nerd, and square awareness as maybe a bit too rigorous and scientific to be relaxed and natural. But squares fit in and make an even grid around your body.
Sideways.
Very nicely.
Sideways.
So square awareness is not bad.
Sideways.
It is merely rectilinear and precise.
Sideways.
Now, suppose you change the shape or attitude of your awareness
triangle up
to triangle
awareness.
up. This is like a focused fire. Your energy is rising with a triangle up awareness. It's also considered to be more male.
Down.
If you have an upward awareness, it's hard to sink it down to the feet.
Down. Down.
It takes a lot of effort, and resistance
Down.
is common to bringing down someone who has a very upwardly focused attitude. Let's change the shape one more time.
Triangle down awareness.
This is more like a waterfall. The energy naturally wants to go down to the ground.
Down.
Let's make it a little bigger now.
My awareness is expanding.
And be focused downwards towards the ground. Notice the downward focused attitude of the figure on the screen. Now, someone who's down or depressed or focused downward, it's hard to make them go up.
Up.
And be lighthearted and just really a lot of fun.
Up.
Or, to be lighthearted, let's put it that way. So notice the size of your awareness.
My awareness is expanding. My awareness is expanding.
And also the shape of your awareness.
Vertical body scan.
After the shapes come the body scans. This is like a shape of awareness. But let's stick to the geometric shapes by clicking on shape another time.
Horizontal body scan.
And another time.
Circular awareness.
So I would like you to spend 2 minutes playing with the size and shape controls. The bigger button to make the awareness bigger, the smaller button to make the awareness smaller, and the shape button to change the shape or attitude of your awareness. Try to indicate on the screen for 2 minutes how you're feeling inside, and notice how that changes over the course of 2 minutes. Please start now. Thank you.